Ramadan Mubarak. Here I am with a special recipe for Ramadan. So let me tell you the ingredients. So this is mashed potatoes. I mashed it really well so it's nice and mashed. I have 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. I have 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. I have 1 tablespoon of black pepper. I have 2 tablespoons of plain flour. Then I have some breadcrumbs. Then I have some capsicums and some coriander. Now we're gonna make it. So first of all, we're gonna add some black pepper and some chili flakes and salt to taste. Now we're going to mix it all. Okay, so I mixed it all, and you can make this for your mom, help your mom, and like surprise her and stuff. Now we're gonna get the 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm just gonna put that in. We're gonna get our flour. Put that in. We're gonna get all of our capsicums and stuff. And now we're gonna mix it all until everything is quickly combined. So I mixed it up really nicely. As you guys can see, it's nice and creamy. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get some oil in our hands. So get some oil. And now we're just gonna get a little piece and make like a little like hole in the middle so then we can add like the cheese in it. Just like that. Now we're just gonna add a little bit of cheese in it. And we're just gonna get the top filling. And we're just gonna fill the top, and just like that, you're just gonna make some balls, and then I'll tell you what to do next. So I made all of them. No, not all of them, but I just made a few. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get one of them, and we're just gonna dip them in the breadcrumbs. And just like that, we can get some. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just put the lid on and just put them. Now, so it's cooking, and I'll see you when they're done. Okay, so now it's done. It looks really cheesy and delicious and really yummy. So I can't taste it right now because I'm fasting, but it looks really good. And make this for your iftar, for your parents, for your family, and I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.